Welcome to Enrich English Learning Language. In this lesson, we learn most used prepositions with sentence. Let's learn and practice to enhance your English skills. Here is your today lesson. Besides, it's still early for me. Between. My home is between library and bank. Beside. The napkin is placed beside the plate. Across. Her house is across the street. Beyond. Barcelona Football Club's success is beyond question. Over. The window is over the radiator. But, we are very hungry, but the fridge is empty. Below, your grade is below average. By, I always goes to work by train. Except nobody came to the party except George and Alex. Put a period after each sentence. 4. Is the coffee too hot for you? From. Where are you from? Hence. We travel hence tomorrow to France. Outside. There's a bird's nest outside my window. Through. The bird flew through the open window. Without. I feel sad without you. About. They have a discussion about football. Above. A plane is flying above the village. Abroad. Mary went abroad. Ago. She came back school a while ago. In. I live in London. In addition to his car, he has a Jeep. Into. Go into her room and take wallet. Like, she's very clever like me. Against. His bicycle was leaning against the fence. Near. I live near the sea. Next. The two teams play volleyball the next day. Next to. My wallet is next to pen. Upon. The earth I'm walk upon doesn't recognize me. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and share for grooming your English learning and speaking skills.